Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. The force of the wind blowing on a vertical surface varies jointly as the area of the surface and the square of the velocity. If a wind of 80 miles per hour exerts a force of 80 pounds on a surface of 1/5 square foot, how much force will a wind of 96 miles per hour place on a surface of 4 square feet? A wind of 96 miles per hour will place a force of blank pounds on a surface of 4 square feet. Type an integer or a simplified fraction. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.